dito sa Davao del Sur, nandito. Oh, Canada!
Don't forget, I need to give you 10
Oo.
cents. Reminds me good.
This is 10 cents.
10 cents. What can you buy from
A chocolate bar.
So, may naglilinis mga par ng ano. Dinadamuhan niya yung ano. Kasi madamo yung kanina mga par. Lilinis niya.
No, have them silent and then, you know, she goes upstairs, she calls the police.
So ngayon mga par, pupunta kami sa lake. Maglo-lake kami mga par. Ano tayo, medyo malamig. Ha! Yeah. Ayun, yahe na kami. At, wow! My wife put some lipstick kita.
Oh my goodness.
Come here, Heaven. Oh,
Maybe she thinks she's not beautiful.
My
She
water.
is.
What?
I'm sorry, Dad.
It's okay.
Bye. Bye-bye. Okay.
Yes. So on the Seinfeld, the free dinner for the suit.
Oh, with
Armani
Bianya?
suit. And the thing is, like, Jerry did. It wasn't like a trade.
No.
He gave it to Jerry outright, with no strings attached. And Jerry said, like, I should, like, I don't know, maybe like an offer. Then
Thank you, bro. Oh, I have to bring the bag.
Yeah, I'll carry it.
Is it too heavy to use? Ah, okay. Oh, dito na kami mga par, no? Sa forest siya. Oh. Forest. Woo!
Hindi ka nilalamig na?
I love the breeze. Yeah. Harap ng hangin. Eh. I can bring dito. Ah, yeah.
thank you.
Yeah. So maybe we can go there.
Oh, nice lake. Oh. Dito ba?
That one? The lake? Yeah. I think this one.
It's like Ontario right
Na!
Diba?
Money
Here's the lake.
bago! Heaven! Money!
Lake. Okay, here's the lake, Heaven.
The lake!
You're not going to the beach, are you? Are you going to the beach?
Ah, the unicorn.
Are you
Is it?
going to the beach? That way, 1 kilometer.
Oh.
Can't. Like, how long's the trail? Just over the hike. So I just went up.
Okay. So, dito na kami baba. Ano na kami dyan, no? may trek. Oh! May trekking pa dito. You can go up there. Mountain. Waterfront trail.
Looks like sand, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Great Lakes Waterfront trail.
Where are we? We're up here. You are here. That's where we are.
Oh my god.
The paddle.
No,
Oh, there's Lake Ontario.
Woo!
that's not Ontario. It's small.
That's a heaven-sized lake in Ontario. Do you remember how big the lake is? It's huge. Huge. It's like an ocean.
Remember
When we went? Remember that?
no, when we touched the water.
Yes. It was cold. I bet you it's still cold.
Oh, I love this place. So,
Because I love the green trees.
yeah.
Does it remind you of home?
Yes, Tita.
Remind you of Davao?
Yeah, the Davao.
Step in the mud.
Maybe if some have lions, Tita, we can throw heaven to the lions. The lion will.
I would never throw heaven to the lion.
Oh,
Look at these pretty flowers.
what color is that? Purple?
Yep.
Purple. Ganda dito mga par.
Look at the pink one.
Oh, there's somebody hiding right here. What do you call this place, Tita? Great Lakes?
Like that?
What do you call this place?
East Point Park.
Ah, East Point Park. Wow.
Ready?
Ganda dito mga par. Saka makapunta kayo dito sa lake, to sa lake. Sana may trail tapos ikita nyo yung lake. Wow! Woohoo! See? Ganda. Ganda dito mga par. Woohoo! Meron pang pangat to, no? Meron pang pataas. Hindi natin pupunta yun. Baka mano tayo. Do that. Punta nga natin dito mga par. Itaas. Yun, no? So, pataas pa talaga. Yan sila oh. Taas. So, sabi ni Inday, akit daw siya.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You're so brave. What?
Whoa.
Hold it.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, ito ano?
Okay, let's get them now.
Akit eh.
How do I get them? How do I die?
You said you want to go up.
No, no, die. Die. Get down.
Oh, get down oh. Oh. Wala na oh. Oh. See?
Die. Let's get down now. Let's get down.
What?
Let's get down. I'm scared.
Oh.
Die. Stop.
What?
Stop. Die.
Oh. Look at the view.
So
See? Beautiful, right? Want to go there? We want to say. We want to check what is in there.
Are we gonna die?
No. That's nothing. It's like a baba. Oh, it's nothing here. See? Okay. More. You see? What? It's okay. Ano ba yan? Damo lang yan eh. It's only a grass. Nakita namin yung taas mga par. Pagod. It's only a grass. Oh. So, what's in here? So it's nothing.
Nothing. It's nothing.
What?
See, there's pathways.
Oh,
Sorry,
meron din
that's
daanan mga
steep.
paro.
That's steep.
Kaya nga, hindi tayo dyan. Look at this.
Let's go back.
Wait. Let me see. See this one?
No, no.
Wait, wait. Just wait here. Oh.
What is going on?
It's nothing here. Ito na kami sa tuktok mga par.
We're gonna die.
No, we're not gonna die.
We're gonna die.
So bababa na kami mga par. Wait, wait. I just take a picture. Okay.
Whoa, steep.
Pababa na kami mga par. Kasi ano na, wala na naman sa taas. Kita ano lang siya. Parang ano lang oh. Yun lang nakikita. Yung damo-damo. Yun lang. Want to go first? Nandun sila sa may baba. Oh. Oh, oh, namin naliligo oh. Yun oh.
Wow!
Yeah, so baba na kami mga pan.
Gusto ko
Just
maligo.
hold, okay?
Yeah.
No, we don't have shorts and
And I don't have
ready? Are you ready?
Don't jump! Die!
No, just because you're too heavy. Okay, we can go down. Then we can go to the jail, okay? Oh, careful. No running. Let's go. So yun lang, galing na kami doon mga paro, yung taas na yun. Pupunta lang kami, lalapit kami sa lake. Okay.
I'm gonna touch the water.
Yeah. Okay. So yun na yun mga paro. Oh. See? Wow.
Dad, I want to touch the water.
Here. Dito, Inday, dito. Dito. Okay na. Hindi. Woo! Woohoo! Dito na kami mga par na lake. Don't touch it. Ayan oh. Baho ba? Falls ko. Hindi yun yung para. Ano para yun o. Lake. Buwakan nga natin yung lake. Uy! Man! Basa! Basa tayo mga bar. Lake! Yun. Ay lake mga par. Uwi na. Uwi na mga par. Meron pang ano galing sa taas oh. Ito, I can bring that dito.
I'll carry it.
Hi, Kerry. Pero pa pa-angat doon. What? Don't leave me! Yeah.
I'm trying.
Ayun mga parang picture lang. Sulitin lang namin ng ano. So yan, mabilis lang kami dito. Binisita lang namin yung lake. Sarap. Ganda experience mga par. Pwede rin kayo mag-picnic dito. Pwede rin kayong mag-ihaw-ihaw. Dala lang ng ano mga par, may nakita ako doon, nagdala ng ihawan. Ayun, pwede pala mag-ihaw dito. Maganda dito, peaceful and talaga masusolo mo yung ano. Hindi masyado maraming tao, walang tao. Kaya lang, maligo. May naliligo naman ako nakikita. Pero medyo malaki na yung alon. Hindi ka pwede siguro pumunta doon kasi walang nagbabantay mga par. So, delikado. Yun, uwi na.
Listen, I need to have a picture of you and everyone else.
Uwi na. Uwi na. Uwi na kami mga par. Yun, balak namin kumain muna sa ano, sa Chick Enjoy yung restaurant. So dadaan muna kami sa restaurant. Early dinner. Early dinner ba ngayon? Oo, early dinner kasi alas 5 pa lang. So yun, maganda. Yan yung ano, lawak kung meron pa doon. Lawak ang parkingan niya mga par. Diba? So yun, kung malapit kayo dito, puntahan nyo. At maganda dito mga par. Lalo pag may sasakyan kayo. Yun, may sasakyan pala dapat kasi papasok siya eh. Isa pwedeng pabasa yata, hindi ko lang alam mga par. Pero ano siya, papasok. So kung wala kayong sasakyan, maglalakad kayo, yun, mahirap. So kailangan may sasakyan pala.